Hey everybody, Mike Brumfield coming at you with a new video. And this one is pure and simply about the earliest form of worship all over the earth supporting the reality of evolution. I'm holding my thumb and forefinger together just like people meditate in the Buddhistic religions, but it's all over the earth. They meditated that way in every religion, from the earliest onsets to rock art of people doing that, and rock statues. So to me, I say that simple act of worship was left by these people up in the sky, all religious stories of people up in the sky, to tell us and to prove to us finally that getting away from Mother Nature is the key to survival in a universe full of flying rocks. Hence, two little round rocks right here. So meditation, transcendental meditation, the earliest form of the mystery, as they called it in Jesus' time, the Greek school of mystery. It was well known. It was all over the earth. And it was about the origins of the universe and the reality that the universe never came from anywhere, never went anywhere. It's not going anywhere. It didn't begin, but only in its form of matter. So these rocks, whether they be gas, solids, liquids, these rocks. So ultimately they make rocks flying through the universe. So now to support the idea of evolution happening by chance with rocks flying through the universe, we've already gotten over the answer to the question, where did everything come from? You know, these gods, they don't have an end to beginning, just like rocks don't. They just change form from solid liquid to a gas. E equal MC squared explains that. So the earliest form of worship is not only a example of advanced scientific knowledge of what the universe is, but it also implicates a support of these people leaving us a lifelong testimony of the answer to who are they, where are they from, and what's going on, why are we alone. Because we're stuck in a world full of people who believe in a magic God that created this universe. The bottom line is it's full of rocks. We have a debate called evolution versus creationism. Evolution says life happens by chance, right ingredients. In a universal kitchen of heat and electromagnetism, you're going to get a possibility of life. You've got the right ingredients, and we know what ingredients it takes to make that. So evolution is the universe is full of chaos with flying rocks everywhere. It happens by chance. Everything happens by chance. Religion, everybody knows that one guy up in the sky, or multiple gods, people up in the sky created it, okay? And they didn't have a beginning and ending, much like the theory of energy. So, with that being said, evolution is just simply a result of the singularity point, and it's made up of little things inside of it moving around, even though it's one point. But when these little moving parts smack into each other, boom, we have an explosion, birth. And ultimately it spreads out, and then due to environmental conditions, and it is going to finally eat itself back up. Its mother, that singularity point, is going to eventually eat it back up because it turns into a black hole. So, and then it does this all over again. So the bottom line is, with that said, the ancient form of worship is left with transcendental meditation, was left to prove to us that the universe is always evolving and life happens by chance. Two rocks smacking together, right ingredients in the kitchen of life, infinite one. That's how life happens. Now, we're plagued with a lack of reality, or understanding rather, and we do have a gentleman by the name of Michio Kaku, who I say may be right on the money. I've got to research his stuff again, but he says that in an infinite universe we should have different stages of civilization. We should have primitive caveman, all the way up to literally people living in space. But now that's stage 3. The problem with that, in his overview of his theory, he clearly says that we will still be living on planets in a stage 3 civilization. And I'm saying that, I don't mean to laugh, but literally, these two rocks are the problem in the universe. You better get the hell off of these two rocks, okay? Start controlling your destiny and not let Mother Nature take you out. Similarly, we have a new series right now on Ancient Aliens, and Eric von Däniken is saying that there's stage 3 civilization, and they live on other planets. And I say that's an oxymoron. Intelligence at stage 3 civilization is omnipresent everywhere, omnipotent, all-powerful over these two rocks by getting off of them, and omniscient, all-knowing that you should get off of them. You should conquer space, so you conquer Mother Nature at the same time. And you could achieve with knowledge of DNA, and we have ancient rock art of cosmic eggs. Ancient Alien is good about showing you all the advanced knowledge. It proves that there's a physical, real flesh and blood reality of hard work, time, and learning and unraveling the mysteries of the universe, what it is. So from the stories of them being up in the sky, that's a stage 3 civilization, according to Michio Kaku. So most of the humans on Earth think that we will always live on a planet, if not all of them. I'm trying to find one that doesn't see that living on a planet is certain death. You can't control it. So if I don't find one, that's my theory, and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Stage 3 civilization should be one that Jesus describes. Heaven is his throne, earth is just a footstool. And he makes it very clear. Only through knowledge and the word, which he called himself, can you start to learn about what the universe is, flying rocks, okay? And it's always, that's what it is. It is not what it was or will be. You got to get off these rocks. So peace, love, and harmony. Check out my books and pass it on. YouTube, Michael Brumfield.